this a warning. I ain't gonna lie, you about to hit some real shit. So if you know you want 1K, no need for you to hit it. Most hoes don't like me cause I up my shot and then I go. I don't be in drama, be them bitches tripping by the hoe. Don't even tell me what she said, I'm about my money. I don't give a fuck.
So y'all, don't mind how I look right now, but I just wanted to let y'all know that our shirts came in from jiffyshirts.com. I ordered like 22 plain shirts because I'm gonna have something printed on them for something special that I have planned for the 28th, which is also Thanksgiving. So y'all not gonna see the printed up shirts, but until you're not gonna see them until November 28th. So stay tuned for that vlog. It's gonna be interesting. My hair looks a hot mess. Don't mind how I look. I really just woke up. Well, I mean, it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but I took a little nap, so I look a hot mess. And I just ordered some food from Domino's. It should be here soon. And yeah. And now my food is here. I'm about to eat and watch a show real quick. And then I'm going to get up, get my butt up, and get out and do something. Because staying in the house on my off days is my normal. But yeah, I need to get some sunlight, obviously. So I got... that's brownie. I guess it's called ooh, they nice and hot too. It has chocolate syrup in the inside of it, like a malted brownie thing, and some ice cream would have been perfect with that. Then I have this sub. I've never eaten a sandwich from Domino's, but I wanted to try it because everybody says it's good. So it is a Philly steak and cheese. And then I got a pizza, but I'm not even going to eat that. Like, I don't even know why I got all this stuff. Greedy ass. Spending money, that's all I do. Spend money on food. But yeah, let me watch my show. Let me eat my food, and I'll talk to you all later. All right, y'all. So this sandwich is really, really good. Like, I've never expected that. And I was so apprehensive about trying it. But the sandwich is so damn good that I ate the whole thing. And I never eat all of my food in one sitting.
Still love working the weekends, huh? I'm not working today. I just wanted you to see my new giant corn.
And I'm watching How to Get Away with Murder.
And you don't want me near your apartment.
I'm so sad that the sandwich is even gone. It was so damn good.
Would you get out of my house, please?
So they have an option of whether you want mushrooms on it, and I opted to not have the mushrooms because I like mushrooms, but I just wasn't in the mood for them on my sandwich. I've never eaten mushrooms on a sandwich, so I declined those, but I did have green pepper, provolone cheese, American cheese, the steak, and onions, and mayo. Amazing. Recording you. Y'all, he think he can call me Camille.
Call her what I please. Oh look, that droid looking like it got
I
a good little
told you,
camera
stop
finally.
playing with me.
It's still kind of squinting, but
This camera is really good, so stop playing.
yeah, it squints. It makes me look good, so you know something got to be going on with it.
I hate you.
Hooked up, ain't you?
Bye. I'm recording. If you don't want to be on camera, don't go past. You play too much. See how good this camera looks? Stop playing with me.
I look like this. I need to tell her to get an iPhone.
I'm getting one.
Finally.
I got my bonus, so you know I'm like, ooh, why they all blue? And then they sour. Ew, I don't eat sour.
So why you eating it then? And then you're going to take a lot of them. So I don't eat sour, so take 8 of them.
Y'all want that on the thing? Y'all like it?
Watch me put it up.
On your what? Ball.
This feeling we're together. Take my you forever. Hold up, don't make me wait. I think I might lose. I'm losing my patience.
Girl, put it up.
No letting go.
I like that part. That was cute. What do you think, Shaka?
Let.
So y'all, I'm eating shrimp scampi and a salad. It's shrimp on it. So I have a date tomorrow. The guy just texted me and said he's excited about it, and that made me happy because I'm excited about it too. But I definitely didn't want to seem like I was overly excited, so I didn't text him for a whole day. But he texted me first, so. And y'all, he's a white guy. Alright y'all, so I'm at my mom's house because she has a catering thing to do tomorrow, catering job. And say hi to my brother. Oh Lord, I'm stepping on shit. What you doing, Nunu?
Playing 2K. Fun.
Thank you, grown.
Yeah, I know.
And then Jael. Y'all have met her before.
Y'all know me.
Oh y'all, she's the one doing the intro. That's her. That's rapping in the intro.
That's me. Look, Mr. Dog, the family dog, 10 years stuff.
Say hey, boo-boo. Give me some kisses. Your sister love you. Your sister love you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. You was all up on me when I had food.
Meet the family cat.
Don't nobody like her for real.
Everybody
No, they like
likes
her. I don't. She still has not grown on me, and she been in the family for about, what, 10 years too? No, not that long. She ain't been that long.
It's 9 years.
I ate your chicken wings.
All of them.
Like a 10-piece.
You must still been eating
I definitely ate them, Jaya. Go look. We got some catering to do. What, chicken wings? Jaya, I definitely ate those. Don't be disappointed when you go in the kitchen. I'm telling you ahead of time.
Hey, Brook, this makes 6 gallons.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Mama, how many chicken
That
wings
makes
in there?
sense, girl.
Mom, how many chicken wings in there? Chicken wings. How many are over there? One.
She really thought it was some chicken wings left. I told her. I gave her a warning.
You might eat all of them.
It's one left, Jai.
I still want it.
I bet you know what? You can't make it in there.
What you say, Jai? You said you weren't hungry. She got one piece, y'all. What you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna eat it. Like you did the rest of them.
It's good, too.
I sure ate them.
Yeah, coming from you
Nice
were
and
hungry,
hot.
so you thought I wasn't gonna eat them.
Let's
Let's go to Cookout and get some milkshake.
How many was up there?
Like a 10-piece. Let's go to Cookout and get a milkshake.
Come on.
Mine ain't gonna let me in.
I ain't got no say so in none of it.
Right. Good morning, y'all. I am still at my mom's house. I slept on the couch last night. And it was pretty cold down here. Now I'm drinking coffee. She didn't rinse this cup out, so I'm drinking other people's lip juice. Then Jael is over there. Don't mind my mama's living room. We got it like this because of the catering order that she has to do today. Yeah. Because then a lot of people gonna want coffee.